So now we're gonna cook an entire 3 to 4 pound chicken inside of this basket. This basket can handle up to a 5 pound chicken. We got a 4 pound. We're gonna open it up. We're taking the basket out. Now I need to preset my oven here. So this is our air fryer is basically a convection oven. So we're gonna preset it, close it, turn it on. I'm gonna do preheat. Preheat is going to be at 380. So all we did to the chicken was pat it dry, we added a coating of olive oil, and then we put on and sprinkled some dry rub on top, smoky dry rub, and then we just put it inside of our basket. That's it. And then we're gonna place this inside. On the top side, 20 minutes. On the bottom, we're gonna probably do it for another 20 at about 380 degrees. So let's try it until the core temperature of that chicken in the breast goes to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now our chicken is done. We're gonna check the internal core temperature to make sure it's about right. If we get to the right spot, 165, 170, you're gonna be good. All right, so now that our chicken's done, we're gonna be taking it out of the pan, and then we're gonna put it onto our cutting board. And cut it right down the middle. Make sure you get a nice, good sharp knife. This is amazing, people. Look at what our air fryer was able to create. Succulent, juicy, whole chicken in no more than about 42 minutes. It is crispy on the outside with our barbecue rub. It looks absolutely delicious. You can see the juices oozing out. So pairing with your COSORI Smart Wi-Fi air fryer is relatively simple. All you gotta do is go to the VSync app. This is gonna be the same app that they use for all the COSORIs as well as Levoit. And the VSync app is actually quite good for air fryers. What you can get is a lot of recipes, and it can program it, and you can set the temperatures and what mode you want it to be on. But to turn it on, you have to turn it on manually on the machine. But to turn it off, you can turn it off from your phone. So this is the recipe that we're gonna be making. So this is the recipe we're making right now. So if I wanted to cook it, all I need to do is press cook. It's gonna automatically turn it on. Now, all that's remaining for me is to press the play button. It'll give you the timer on the screen as well as how much time is remaining and any history in terms of if there's any issues. But if I wanted to stop it, like let's say I'm running out of the house and I forgot to turn it off, I could just stop it. Gonna ask me, and then stopped. So now this is finished, and I just stopped my machine and I'm not even near it. So the recipe guides are quite extensive here. You're gonna get a lot of options. You have the options just to make better food for your family that tastes better, or even for yourself. I mean, it's just a really good air fryer, and it's large enough to do whole chickens, as you saw me do. It makes a really delicious whole chicken, and I think it's going to be really good for most of your roasts and your proteins. So with that, this is Dave with the French Glow. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you next time. Signing off. Bye, bye, bye.